Thank you guys and welcome back to part 3 of Pokea Moyo Wangu Mungu Wangu. So let me play a bit so that you can remember what I taught you the last lesson. So today I'm going to teach you how to play on the left hand. The left hand doesn't do a lot, but you can add a lot in the left hand, but I will just show you the basic of the left hand. So if I'm playing like oh Jenny, what am I supposed to play on the left hand? So if I'm playing oh Jenny, I'm playing oh Jenny, that is the bass. So you can play oh Jenny, oh Jenny, like oh Jenny morning, oh Jenny morning, like that. Just the bass is very simple. And then you go back to do. And then Baba. You guys start like that. I want you to concentrate on looking on the left hand. So you see, the bass is very simple because I'm starting like oh Jenny morning. So I'm holding D just like 3 times. So let's go again. And then do. Ja ba kwa ba. And just playing like that. Like that. Just like that. Play again. And go now here. So repeat the bass side. Hold it exactly the way I'm holding. Starting with 5, then I'm using 2 and then 1. 5. Then you go. And then you start with then you go to this. Kwa mtu the last one. You just follow this. You start like that. All right, you can play like that. Like that. So like that. I hope you are seeing what I'm doing. All right. Let me play with one finger so that you can see well. But now you're supposed to play. So that now when you combine the right hand and the left hand, you are going to play like this. You see how I'm playing the bass? It's very simple. Look again. Now with the beat. Just practice that. Just practice playing the bass with just practice playing the right and the left hand, both the same, using the formula that I have shown you. Just look keenly the notes that I'm holding, because this lesson is a short lesson. I cannot be able to explain each and every note because I have taught how to play different notes, different chords. I have taught you about chords inversion, so it's now your work to just find the chords and look keenly on what I'm doing, and then you use the same formula and apply it, and you are good to go. You'll be playing very well and you will advance more. What good with piano, you will not stop learning. Each and every day you will continue learning. So for me, I'm still learning new things in the new times. If you look at my previous videos, where I started and where I am now, I have improved a lot because of keeping practicing. Always know that practice makes perfect. So continue practicing. This is Fred Moa TV. Make sure you subscribe, like and comment and share this video widely. Until next time, on the next lesson that I'll be teaching you on how to play another song. And if you have any song that you want me to come here and teach you how to play it, just you can comment down below and write which song you want me to come here and teach you step by step how to play it. So make sure you subscribe, guys, like and comment and share this video widely. Let me play a bit and then we are done. Thank you so much. Subscribe, like and comment. Let's meet on the next lesson.